Good afternoon. Program efficient and early management. Evidence video presents Frank Knox on oil job occupation. Instructor Angélica del Pilar Gómez Arandia. Ap- Apprentice Sergio Andrés Argüello Barajas. File 2,977,906. Good afternoon. My name is Sergio Andrés Argüello Barajas. I am 35 years old. I work as an operation and maintain the non-state technician. Maintenance technician in a company that provides hand gas short network. I have been working here for 7 years. My duties are from the 14th to the 27th of each most Olympic period from the 28th to the 2nd of each month. Visit Armedic Duitu. Consumption to the Ascension. Deviation from the share to the deviation on each month to service suspension and reconnection are carried out from the 8th to the 13th of each month's gas installation are carried out. I really like my job since every day I am in contact with people, whether carrying or visit or installation. There are very good people to take care of you well, but there are people to hate to take care of you reluctantly. In the same way, one must always be professional and provide good service. In the company, paper is no longer handled. Everything is filled out virtually. This allows everything to be fast and efficient, and thus years and satisfies without automation. Thank you and have a happy afternoon. Thank you.